Anyone who is in the service industry, hospitality industry, has a culinary background, we love cooking, we love serving. That all comes so naturally to us. But the accounting, the systems that you should be using, the licensing and the tax implications, that's the hard part of this business. And so that's what I found most helpful for me, because even 2 years in the business, again, we're working in a very gray area business, and so it's really helpful to have a guide from someone who has been in the industry for such a long period of time. And so I really feel that it's those checklists that are in the Chefpreneur program that are so valuable. There's no price that you can put on this program. The information that you're getting is truly priceless, because it's like, I get chills just thinking about it. Once you make the move from corporate life as an employee to entrepreneurship or chefpreneurship, there is no going back. And in my opinion, there is not a more fulfilling life than the life of an entrepreneur or a chefpreneur. It's the freedom you have, the passion you have for what you do. It really just takes your life to a whole new level, and for that you can put no price on it. It's just a priceless program.